guys, today I will teach you on how you can start a e-commerce site and sell your products. In recent years, e-commerce sites have really taken off, and thanks to platforms such as WooCommerce and WordPress, building your site couldn't get much easier because so many brick and mortar stores have had to close their stores due to COVID-19. The popularity of this option is likely to increase. Online shopping is no longer the luxury it once was. More than a decade ago, e-commerce only accounted for 5.1% of total retail sales. Fast forward and in 2019, online sales accounted for 21% for millions of people. Thanks to COVID-19, it is now necessary for everyone. For your e-commerce business to be successful in the long term, you'll need a long-term vision and a product that brings a real value to the market. To run a successful e-commerce store, you need to create and sell a niche physical product to a specific audience, or purchase trending products cheaply from an overseas manufacturer, repackage them and sell them out of market. The first option can be a little risky, but it also has the potential to be very successful. A certain amount of passion for your product is essential, and you'll need also the and you also need to be prepared for the craft when it comes to the research and development of the product, and also testing. There are some very successful e-commerce sites you can start inspiring from, such as bread brands, ratio coffee Ratio Coffee and Skinny Me Tea. All three of these companies show what incredible results are possible if you are prepared to put in the work. The second option is less risky, but first you have to source a product that's really popular. One place to look at is AliExpress. You buy the product in bulk, repackage it, and sell it via your e-commerce store. Aside from finding the right product, you'll also need to think about how you'll ship the orders. Handling it yourself is the obvious option, but something called drop shipping is another possibility. In this case, you take the orders and the manufacturer handles the shipping on your behalf. Level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, expert. Requirements are the right idea and customers for your product. Time: it could take you about a couple of months before you start earning some real money. The tools: hosting, domain, products to sell. Income potentials are $50 to $1 million. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.